Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus minus multiplication. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers: A is 0, B is 1, C is 3 and D is 9. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication. What you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. So in our expression, we have to solve first the bracket, which is first one, this one, another one, this one. First of all, we have to solve each bracket, which is 8 plus 4 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 12, minus, and we will write 6 plus 2 multiplied by 3, we will write as it is, and minus 8, again, we have to write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 4 multiplied by 3 equals to 12. Now move forward to step number 1. We have to repeat to solve this one, which is 6 plus 2 multiplied by 3. But here we have to decide which operation we will solve first. So here we have one operation, this one, another one is this one. So first of all, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve the multiplication. So 8 plus 12 and minus 6 plus 2 multiplied by 3 means 6, 2 till the 6. And here minus 8. And here we have to give the reference 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. Now we have again bracket. So we have to solve this bracket, which is 6 plus 6. We have to solve 8 plus 12 minus, and 6 plus 6 becomes 12 minus 8, it becomes 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Now we have solved the all bracket. Now we have to go for exponent part, but inside our bracket, inside our expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step. Now move forward to solve the division and multiplication. So what we have to do, we have to see we do not have in our expression multiplication and division, or you can say division and multiplication. So now we have addition and subtraction. We will move forward to solve this in this expression. So we have to go left to right. What we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 8 plus 12, which is 20. It becomes minus 12. We will write minus 8. We have to write it. And here we have to give the reference 8 plus 12 equals to 20. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 20 plus minus 12. So we will solve this one. We get the answer is 8 plus 8. Why plus 8? Because we have the plus sign with the 20. And here we will write minus 8. So here we have to give the reference 20 minus 12 equals to 8. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 0. The answer of the given expression is 0. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using palm dance and word mask method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.